Dear students, Namaste and welcome back to our revision session. In today's session, we shall review the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. Let's have a quick review of the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables from the NCERT textbook. Pair of linear equations in two variables. First, let's recall the concept equation. An equation is a statement that two mathematical expressions having one or more variables are equal. Or in simple words, if you say an algebraic expression carrying equal to symbol, then we can say that it is an equation. Linear equation, that is our topic, linear equations. Linear equation in the sense, equations in which the powers of all variables involved are 1 are called linear equations. In simple language, if you say that the degree of linear equation is always 1. If the degree of an equation is 1 means we can call it as linear equation. Degree in the sense the power, the highest power of the expression or the equation. General form of a linear equation in two variables. The general form of a linear equation two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b cannot be 0 simultaneously. Simply if we say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation where a and b cannot be 0 simultaneously. Next, representing linear equation for a word problem. If a word problem is given to you, how to convert that statements into algebraic statements or algebraic equations. First of all, you have to go through the question very carefully and identify the unknown quantities and denote them as variables. Identify the unknown quantities and just assume them as x, y, a or b or c or any other variables or alphabets. Represents the relation between quantities in a mathematical form, replacing the unknowns with variables. You have to go through the question and identify the given conditions, and you have to change that statements into mathematical statements, means equations. Then you have to solve that equations by using different methods what you have learned, and you have to find out the values of unknowns. Let's take an example of word problem. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Here algebraic representation we will do. Geometric representation is a graph that we will discuss later on. Here the cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After 1 month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Here the costs are changing. Apple and grapes both are changing, so they are the variables. So let's assume the cost of apples per kg be rupees x and the cost of grapes per kg be y. So we have assumed x and y. The first part is over. Next, represent the relationship. Here you can see cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 60. 2 kg, that is 2 into per kg is x, that is 2x, plus 1 into per kg value is y. So 1 into y is equal to total 160. Then after a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Means 4 into per kg is x. Then 2 into per kg value is y. So 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. So these are the two equations we have formed. And we have learned different methods for solving these equations, and you have to solve these equations and find the values of x and y. Next, how to find out the solution of a linear equation two variables. Let's have a quick review. We have learned different methods. The first one is graphical method, second one is substitution method, and third one is elimination method. And cross multiplication method was there that we have eliminated. Now, graphical method of finding solution of linear equations, that is the first one. For that, what you have to do is graphical method of finding the solution of a pair of linear equation is as follows. First, plot both the equations, two straight lines. We have already learned how to form the equation in the previous slide. So then we have to make points and plot both the equations on the graph. Then find the point of intersection of the lines. Then the point of intersection is the solution. So let's have an example. Consider an equation 2x plus y is equal to 50. Then you have to make a table of points, that is x and y. If you take x value, if I put 0, y value will get 2 into 0, that is 0, that is y we will get as 50. So 0, 50. Then next y value I am putting 0. So y, if I put 0, we will get 2x is equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 by 2, that is 25. So the set of values we have got 2 points is enough. If you wish to calculate one more set of points, it's not a problem. Next, x plus 2y is equal to 40. That is another equation I am taking. Here also I put first x is equal to 0. If I put x is 0, 2y is equal to 40 will come. Y is equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. Next, y value I am putting 0. If I put y 0, this term completely 0. So x I will get as 40. Then you have got the set of points. Now you have to plot these set of points or these ordered pairs on a sheet of graph paper. For that we have to draw x and y axis on a graph sheet, and you have to see the values, and based on that values you have to take a suitable scale. So here I have taken as 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 60, and that is on the y axis, and on the x axis also same thing, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 I have taken. So the first point what I have taken is 0, 50. X value is 0, y value is 50. So the point is here. So by using the pencil you have to mark a point here. Next point is 25, 0. X value is 25, y value is 0. So 25, 0 is here in between 20 and 30. 25, 0. So by joining these 2 points you have to draw a line, and that line you have to label it as 2x plus y is equal to 50. Next set of points I am going to take, that is 0, 20. X is 0, y is 20. So 0, 20 comes here. So we have to mark a point here by using the pencil. Then next is 40, 0. X 40, y 0. X 40, y 0, in the sense this is the point. By joining these two, we have to draw another line, and we have to label it as x plus 2y is equal to 40. And as we have said before, find the point of intersection of the lines. The point of intersection is the solution. Point of intersection in the sense meeting point of two lines. Here the 2 points are meeting at this point. So that point is 20, 10. X value is 20, y value is 10. So 20, 10 we have to mark. So here the solution is x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. We shall revise the second method, that is substitution method. Here let's take two equations, y minus 2x is equal to 1, x plus 2y is equal to 12. As the word says substitution, we have to substitute for one variable by using the another one. So let's take the two equations as equation number 1 and 2. By taking equation number 1, y is equal to this minus 2x we can bring to the right side, so it becomes plus 2x. So y is equal to 2x plus 1 we have got. We have to take this value and substitute in equation number 2. So substitute it, then we will get x plus 2 into y, that is 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 12. Here little bit of calculation we have to do. I am not showing all the calculation, just only the main steps. So here x plus 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x is 4x, 4x plus x, that is 5x, plus 2 into 1, that is 2, is equal to 12. From here x we can calculate, 5x is equal to 2 will go to the right side, so 12 minus 2 is 10. 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. We have got the value of one variable. Then take this value and substitute in any one of the equation, that is y is equal to, it's quite simple if you put it in the first equation. Here itself it is, we made an equation here. So y is equal to 2 into x, that is 2 into x is 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Next we have to go for elimination method, and here elimination, as the word says, we have to eliminate one variable from here, either x or y, that you have to choose. So here consider 2x plus y is equal, x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 2 equations. Multiplying the first equation by 2. See here the coefficient of x is 1, here the coefficient of x is 2. So if I multiply 2 here, this coefficient of x and here the coefficient of x will be same. That's why we are taking the multiplying the coefficient of first equation by 2. 2 we have got from here, the second equation coefficient of x. Then 2x plus 4y is equal to 16. I am multiplying here with the 2. So 2x plus 2 into 2 4y, 8 into 2 16. Then here as it is, the same will come, 2x minus 3y is equal to 2. This is only an example. There are several types of questions are there in the textbook. So you have to go through all these questions. Otherwise you will be getting confused when you are solving the equation. So it is better to go through the textbook, not simply sticking on to one particular method or one particular question. So we are going to eliminate in the sense here 2x and 2x same quantity. So when we subtract, this will be eliminated. So we have to subtract 2x minus 2x is 0. Subtraction in the sense you can just simply change the sign of the second equation, that will be easy. So here minus becomes plus, here plus is there, that becomes minus. So 4 plus 3, that is 7y, 16 minus 2, that is 14. From here y we can calculate, y is equal to 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. Just substitute this as before. Just what we have to do, in the previous question we have got x value and we have substituted. Here we have got y value, then we have to substitute into any one of the equation. So x is equal to 8 minus 2y. First equation we have taken, x is equal to 8 minus 2y, that is equal to 8 minus here 2. Here already one 2 is there, so 2 into 2 4, 2y, that is 2 into 2 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So both the values we have got, the value of x is 4 here and y is 2. So the solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Next, we shall have a quick review of nature of graphs of linear equations in two variables. Here, by observing the coefficients and the constants, how we have to come to the conclusion about the nature of the graphs. That is what we are going to discuss here. First condition, that is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If it is satisfied, then we can say that the graphs are intersecting lines, means the graphs will meet, the two lines will meet at a particular point. Then we can come to the conclusion that the system will have unique solution. Next one is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Here a1, b1, a2, b2 are the coefficients of x and y of the first and second equations respectively, and here c1 and c2 are the constant terms of the first and second equations. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that we will get coincident lines. Coincident lines in the sense, when we draw the graph we will get overlapping like this, and the system will have infinitely many solutions. Next one, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that we will get parallel lines when we draw the graph. So parallel lines in the sense we will be getting the lines like this, and the system will have no solution. Dear students, today we have revised all the basic concepts from the chapter linear equations in two variables. After watching this video, I request all the students to go through the NCERT textbook and solve the example questions and exercise questions independently, and also requested to solve the given worksheet. While solving, if you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.